Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Roku TV. First, let's get your Roku TV physically connected. Begin by plugging your Roku TV into a power outlet. If you have a separate Roku device, connect it to an available HDMI port on your television. Next, insert the batteries into your Roku remote. It should pair automatically. Finally, power on your television and use your TV remote to select the correct HDMI input source where your Roku is connected. You should see the Roku setup screen appear. Now that your Roku TV is powered on, let's get it online. First, select your preferred language using the remote. Then, you'll be prompted to connect to the internet. Choose either wireless for Wi-Fi or wired if you're using an Ethernet cable. If wireless, select your home network from the list and carefully enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Your Roku TV will then check for and install any necessary software updates, which might take a few minutes. The next crucial step is activating your Roku account. You'll need a free Roku account to access channels. On your computer or smartphone, visit Roku.com/link and either create a new account or sign in to an existing one. Enter the unique activation code displayed on your TV screen into the website. After verifying your email, your Roku TV will link to your account. You can then browse the channel store to add thousands of free and paid streaming applications. With your Roku TV set up, it's time to personalize it. You can easily organize your channels by moving your most used apps to the top of your home screen for quick access. Explore the settings to customize your interface with various themes and screensavers. Many Roku remotes also offer convenient voice control for searching content or launching apps. Now you're ready to enjoy thousands of movies, TV shows, and live content from a vast selection of streaming services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.